This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a PowerPoint file to a Google Slides file. Please make sure that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. So the first thing that you want to do when you have a PowerPoint file that you want to convert to a Google Slides file is to place that PowerPoint file inside of Google Drive. And I'm going to drag my PowerPoint into Google Drive. Then once that's done, you can double click the file to open it, or you can right click it and then select open with Google Slides. Either way, the document's going to open up in Google Slides, which will allow you to actually edit that file and keep it in Microsoft PowerPoint format. However, if you do not want to keep this file in Microsoft PowerPoint format and you want to save it as a Google Slides file, what you do is on the File menu, come down here and click on Save as Google Slides. When you do that, it will create a new file in a new tab using the converted PowerPoint file. That way you can take advantage of all of the formatting features of Google Slides without damaging some of the PowerPoint specific formatting that you may have had in the original document. So this is how you convert a file from PowerPoint to Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to receive more awesome tips. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.